This video is about what you can do to your old mattress if it is no longer comfortable, if it needs to be replaced and it's old, but you cannot afford to replace it. So in this video, I'll tell you what we done with our old mattress. So we have been at this house for 5 months, and this is the guest room downstairs. I still have some decorations I want to put up, but I have not found the right thing yet. So I'll just give you a quick little tour. This is just a queen size bed. We have the closet over there with sliding mirror doors, and I'm not going to get in front of the mirror because I'm not fixed up for the day, and just have a dresser thing. Now that dresser, we got it at a thrift store, and it was the wood color, and I did not like that, but I like the style of it, so I just sanded it down and spray painted it white, and so that's what that is. Okay, so this particular mattress is actually almost 10 years old. This mattress and the box springs. It's a queen size. We got it when I was about 7 or 8 months pregnant with my youngest child, and that's been almost 10 years ago. She's almost 10. But anyhow, so we had bought it, and because our mattress we had at that time was just way too hard. And so this one, it is a pillow top. Okay, so pillow top mattress, you can rotate them, but you cannot flip them over. So we got the pillow top mattress. And, so we've had it, like I said, about 10 years now. My husband, whenever we moved here, he was determined, because this bed, the pillow top, it broke down fairly quickly after just a few years. It broke down, and it was no longer comfortable for him. So we went out and we bought ourselves a new mattress, but we still needed a mattress for the guest room. And we didn't have the money to buy a new mattress for the guest, and this one was still fairly comfortable to me. But anyway, so my husband got the bright idea to take the mattress. Let me show you. I hope the sun isn't bothering you too much. Okay, just going to take the sheet off here, kind of show you. It has this protector on it here. Okay, so right here, this is the pillow top. This is the part that you should lay on. Okay, but since it's a pillow top, like I said, you're not supposed to flip them over because the underside is just hard. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's just really hard. That's the foundation part of it. So, my husband had decided that we would flip it over and we would buy a mattress topper for it. And I really did not think that this was a good idea. I thought it would be a waste of money and that no one would find it comfortable. But lack of any other options, we decided to do that. So, I will show you what we bought. So we looked at several different places. We looked online, and we looked at Kohl's, and we looked at Walmart. In the end, we decided to go with this one from Walmart. This is for a queen size. It's a 4-inch true support mattress topper, and this was $135 at Walmart. The reason I decided to go ahead and do this video is because I am ready to throw the box away, and I just thought that, maybe this would save someone a lot of money by doing this video so they don't throw their old mattress away. Maybe they could just spend $100 and, have a like-new mattress, comfortable-wise. Okay, so this mattress here, it came with the knit cover. Sorry, I keep getting text messages. Okay, so it came with this knit cover here. And it says reversible 2-in-1 comfort. It says features a 2-inch support foam layer and the cradling comfort of a 2-inch memory foam layer. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like here. Okay, so can you see these two layers here? This is 2 inches of memory foam, and this is 2 inches of support foam. So we put the memory foam on top, but you can flip it over if you want a more firm support. So show you with the hand. And you can see it bounces back fairly quickly. Just barely leaves fingerprints briefly. Okay, so basically that's it. We just put this on here, and we have had a total of 6 different people sleep on this. One couple has slept on it for 4 nights total, and that couple, one of them weighs almost 300 pounds, I think. The other one weighs about 350 pounds. One of them has back problems. The other one has the sciatica problem, a bad sciatic nerve. They have both said that this sleeps real well. They don't wake up with any pain. Another couple we have had, they have slept on it one night, and they said it was very comfortable. Myself and my husband have slept on it one night because when we moved in, we bought a brand new $1,000 mattress that was on sale, and it was so comfortable in the store, but it is not comfortable here. We have looked, and it says it's the one that we ordered, but it looks like it, but it's not as comfortable, and it's been 5 months. And anyhow, so we came down here one night and tried this out, and my husband keeps telling me that we need to come down and do this again because our mattress up there is killing my back. So we were supposed to sleep down here last night, but we forgot. So we'll sleep down here tonight, and we'll do that a few more nights, and then if it's comfortable still, then we're going to actually go and get one of these for our brand new mattress. Crazy, right? I know. Okay, but this thing here, let's see if it'll focus. Oh, cool, I learned how to work the focus. All right. Okay, here it just shows you like the pressure map of an average adult. Here's a person laying down on a standard spring mattress, and then this is with the topper. You can see there's like no pressure on the joints and stuff. See? And then it has high airflow technology. It says enhanced airflow memory foam is a new generation of viscoelastic foam designed as an open cell structure with breathable texture. Has field pressure point relief. It's certified. All right. So I believe that's all in this video I wanted to show you. So the bottom line, before you go out, if you have a mattress that is old, needs to be replaced, no longer comfortable, and you want a new mattress, but you just can't afford it, or you're scared to buy one that may not be comfortable, that happened to us. We actually spent 2 whole weekends in I think we were in like 6 different stores back and forth, laying down on all kinds of mattresses, and we decided the one that we got was the right one. And anyway, and that was the only one that was non-returnable. Imagine that. Okay, but anyhow, so so before you go out and spend big bucks or throw this thing away, just think about this video. Think if this would be something you might want to try. Yep. Oh, but yeah, I was nervous about this because I'm hardly putting any squeeze on this, and it's, squeezing down. But like I said, 2 of those people, one was almost 300 pounds, I believe, and the other one was 350. So I'm sure that they pushed it down quite a bit, but they both said that it was comfortable on them, and they did not wake up with any back pain, so that was really good. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and have a good day.